Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with an unboxing from a package that I received from Cobeads. They sent me this free to, well, I can go to their website and pick up to a certain amount of money worth of items, and they sent it to me for a review, to do an unpacking, and then to do 2 more videos after that. So I'm going to show you first what I chose as my items. And then, of course, I'm going to come back with a couple more videos to show you what I actually created with those items. Of course, this is a China company, so it took a couple weeks to get here, not too bad. And what else I was going to say? So you will have a discount code as well. I have the links below to the website, to everything that I've got, and then also the discount code, which is DaretoBeCreative 3, so you can get 3% off on your first try. And the prices are very inexpensive. So yeah, so they came double wrapped. So sorry about the sound, but I just wanted you to show you how it came. They took the care to really wrap everything up so that everything would stay undamaged. And hopefully I have the prices for everything, and you'll be able to see that. Oh, gonna get a pair of scissors. Alright. So let's see all the goodies. I may not remember the names of everything, but you know what they are. You see how this came wrapped. It is hot out today, 81 degrees. Whew, all right. I guess this goes with that. I don't know what this goes with. Maybe it goes with the, anyway. Did I order this? I don't remember what this went with this. Anyway, I will look and see. So let's see what I got. I did order these little teeny, these are the little screws, like the eye pins that you screw into, to attach things to. Like you want to screw it into a domino or eraser head or anything to make the hook. You can use it into a resin piece to make it into a charm. So you can do a lot of things with those. And so, I do not remember this, and I don't see it on my, unless it came with something, but I didn't. Maybe it's to drill a hole for these. I don't remember this at all, to be honest. But hey, they gave it to me. It's a nail bit, a drill bit. I can use it, so I think that might be an accident. I don't remember that was anything. But I'm not complaining unless it goes with these keychains. So I did get packs of, hold on one second. Alright, so I had to go read my order. So, these keychains, and it's different size, 2 sizes, small and large, and there's some jump rings, and so this did come with this set. Okay, so this right here, sorry about the sound because I'm going to take it out because it is really clinky, but I'd rather get it out of the package. So don't keep making that noise. So sorry. For those of you who don't like sounds like that, I apologize. But anyway, this is a silicone mat mold, excuse me, and it has, of course, the 26 alphabets. And then it has 0 through 9, 1 through 9. So I have 10 numbers and then the alphabet. So I'm excited to play with some resin and make some keychains. So these can be drilled into the top of the keychain with the toolkit. And then you can attach the keychain. Well, let me see how many, because I don't remember, like I said, how many that are in here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oops, getting my hair all over the place, sorry. It's 10 small, and we have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 10 large. So I have enough to make 20 keychains. So I can use numbers and I can use alphas. That is really cool. I like that. And I had wanted to get back and play with some resin. So I thought this would be a great way to make me do it, since I know I have to make a project with them. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. And these are nice sides to make nice key rings. And of course you can put different pieces in it, glitter, foil, and all different stuff like that in colors. So that is that piece. Then we got these leaves, different color frosted leaves, and you can see the different colors. And I believe it's 50 in here. It was 100. How many? Yep, 50. So you got your orange, purple, and your blue, and your red, or pink. It's red, sorry. There's a green in here and the yellow that it didn't pull out. And I did that in the blue. So nice add-on to make some chunky charms, things like that. And you know, if you know me and think about my channel, I had to get something red, okay? Yes, I did. I mean, like, why not? Y'all know I'm a red girl. So these 10 red hearts, very pretty. Nice charms, nice weight. And these were so inexpensive. Okay, these red charms, the 10 pack were less than $1, was 96 cents. These 50 was like 39 cents or something. I mean, like, the prices were so incredibly low. These tassels, if I'm not mistaken, they go with this set right here. And I think it's 20 in here. Let me see. 2, 4, 6. No, it's like 24. So that's a good deal. Almost 26. Might be 26. I counted them really quickly. So you have a pack of these tassels to go along with the keychains. Yep, it's probably like 26, 24, 26 of these. And again, the tassel set was like $11.75, something like that. It was cheap. It was really good, reasonable price for this many pieces in the whole kit to make them. And then I got this as a 100-piece set. So I was looking forward to this because there's all the different colors in here. And this was just, you know, a few dollars, like less than $6. So you got the royal blue, you got your black, orange, purple, and beige, and teal, and green, seafoam, and light blue, and gotta have red in here, and pink, and beige, and gray. So yeah, so those little cloth ribbon, not ribbon, but floral dangles that you can add to any jewelry set or keychain or anything like that. So I got those because I thought it could go in so many different things. So excited to get that. And I love the little head, and they came in gold. These are gold heads on them. Yes, but they also have them in silver, and you can get them in different quantities. You can get them in single colors, and like I said, you can get it with the gold tassel on the top or the silver. Then I just got a pack of these. There's 100 of these gold, like the rondelles, the seed spacers, you know. Finger beads. 100 bucks. 100 of. It's $100. And they were so inexpensive. That was like, I mean, less than 50 cents. I don't even remember what it was. It was cheap. It's a good price. Whatever the prices were, I'm telling you, go to the website. Good deal. This is a 10-piece set, and these are just different charms. Again, just some of the butterflies, but they were colored. Different colors. You got some teals and some purples and black and orange, purple. And then here, you know, if you know my channel again, you know my colors. This is a 20-piece set. These are in black. And these are diamonds. Because diamonds are my girl's best friend. Look at that. Are they not classy? Ah, they are so cute. And they're in gold. But you know I had to get them. You know I love diamonds. Anybody that knows me. I am a diamond connoisseur. And then, hey, got them in a color I don't like, but it's a color that most women like. It's in pink. If they had been in red, that's what I would have got. But I got pink because they didn't have red. But it's still a girly color. So pale pink. And again, it's 20 in the pack. Really good deal on all of these. Less than $1. I could not complain about any of this. So I'm looking excited to making some things with them. Of course, I want to make some keychains, have some fun with some resin, and making me some chunky charms, or putting these charms on some additional jewelry pieces or whatever. So I'm looking forward to that. So you'll be getting some videos from me. It probably won't be for like 2 weeks because I'm going on vacation, and then I can get some videos up. But I am excited to play with this. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. Make sure you look at the description box below to check out Cobeads. Very reasonably priced, good shipping, nice quality from everything I can tell. It's good. So I'm excited about that. So check them out. And again, you get a 3% discount using DaretoBeCreative 3. And I dare you to be creative. Again, check down below. And thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. Bye-bye.